You know, when I was a Jehovah's Witness, they talked a lot about being careful of your association. And while this video is not intended to preach on their doctrine by any means, but there is something very beautiful in that message of carefully choosing who you allow into your inner circle. So, not in a fearful way of be careful, because that to me makes me feel fearful. But more so, I feel like we tend to talk about our entertainment and our thoughts to keep our minds clean and our energy clean. But the people in your life are the ones that are going to influence you the most. And I talked to my daughter about this. She's 11 years old. And she's even starting to realize the truth of this, in that we become the people that we surround ourselves with. So if somebody in your inner circle tends to be very negative, you are going to adopt some of that negativity, that mindset. If someone in your inner circle always says this one phrase, such as, you might start hearing yourself say that after every sentence, you know. But you know what I mean. It's these qualities, these tendencies, this energetic blueprint that we pick up from the people that we have in our inner circle. And sometimes we outgrow our circle. Not the whole thing, but maybe certain people in it. And it doesn't need to be, this big dramatic fight or this, blowout or anything like that. But sometimes you just realize, like, this is just not really doing anything for me anymore. And while I am appreciative for the season of my life where it did do something for me, when you feel that, it's time to go, it's time to distance yourself, or maybe you need just a clean break. But not everybody in your life needs to be cut out because they're toxic. Sometimes you just outgrow them, and that's okay. And making peace with that, accepting it, it just is what it is. But trying to hold on to that person because you should be friends with them, or you should be with them, or you should have them in your life is just not enough anymore. Everything is shifting in this world, and you, my friend, have to shift with it. There is no sugarcoating that. There is no way around it other than to go through it. So assess your life, assess your circle, assess the people in your circle, the groups in your circle. We should always be associating with people that are, at the same level or higher, so that we can continue to evolve and expand on our own personal journeys, but also collectively, because each and every one of us, each of every one of you is needed to help the collective. And that's why you're here. You've chosen to be here at this transformative time. So serve yourself as best you can by keeping your circle positive. So I hope that you learned something in this video, or that it made you think a little bit, it inspired you in some way. If it did, if you have seen this theme show up for you recently, because I know I have, and I'm seeing it even in my clients as well, just within the past month or so, leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Share this video with anyone that you think would benefit from it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so as well. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye.